Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Madis here. So today I'm gonna show you how you can make a variable power supply just using a single Mosfet and use it for various applications like a LED dimmer or a DC motor speed controller. And it's working fine, and let's check the motor. So the soldering is done and you can see the motor start spinning. Let's increase the speed and it works just fine. Let's slow it down again. Let's see how to make this. For making a variable power supply, I'm gonna use this Mosfet. This is a N-channel Mosfet. 7N60 is the number. And a 22K potentiometer. And we just gonna use just two parts. Let's talk about the pins of the Mosfet. This is our gate, this is the source, and the middle one is drain. And if we simplify the circuit diagram looks like this. This is our output positive voltage. This is common negative, and this is our input positive voltage, positive negative, and this one is output, and that's it. So let's start soldering. These are our output wires, and let's solder the input wires. So this is the negative and positive input wire voltage. Let's solder them. So the negative is soldered with common ground and the positive one is soldered with the drain of the Mosfet. And let's check the circuit, everything is perfectly worked or not. So currently I am powering it up with a 5-volt cell phone charger. As you can see, 5.11 volt in input, and let's turn the potentiometer to decrease the voltage. And I'm all down to the potentiometer, and as you can see the voltage is going down to 0 volt. And let's turn the potentiometer again, and as you can see the voltage is 2.83. Keep rotating, and it works just fine. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.